But real quick, I'll just show you a basic overview. If we scroll down, we can see what our cash balance would be here. We can also add to that. You can see here where we have the option for perps or perpetuals. These are different tokens. If you toggle over to collectibles, this is where you would find NFTs that you might have in the wallet. Over here, this is where we'll be able to swap, which I'm going to show you that soon. Next one over here, this is going to show Phantom Cash. And this is something I'm not super familiar with here, so we'll take a look at it together and see what this new feature is. This is essentially going to be a debit card that's tied to your Phantom account, where you can use your card anywhere and essentially use your crypto balance. So sort of similar to the Crypto.com card, if you're familiar. That's a card that I utilize myself, so you can use this. It looks like it's on a wait list right now, so they're not quite launching this feature just yet. But they are going to be offering something where you can basically spend your crypto balance right from a card, so that is pretty cool. And then all the way at the bottom right, you can go ahead and search. So if you want to research different tokens, you can go ahead and do that here. You can see top lists here for top gainers, meme coins, top losers, top traders. So you can even follow traders on here and see what people's performances are in terms of investing in different cryptocurrencies. There's an educational center and more.